how to clear YouTube Music cache on a Samsung Galaxy device. In order to do so, you may follow up these easy steps. So, one of the things is you may long press on the application and then head over to the info section, and these settings should appear on your screen. If you can't do that, what you can do is head over to the main settings of your device, and then after heading over here, scroll down, go over to apps, and then after going to apps, you may use the search bar at the top and search for YouTube Music. Tap on it, and then after tapping on it, these options opens up. So from the given options, scroll down, go over to storage, and from storage, in the bottom right, you should be finding clear cache option. Just go ahead and tap on it, and once you do, your cache should be cleared on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in any of your devices. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.